Welcome to Car Reviews, where we dive deep into the legends of the automotive world and bring you the stories behind the most iconic rides. Today we're exploring a true piece of American luxury and style, the Mercury Continental. This full-sized classic has long been celebrated for its bold presence and timeless elegance, a car that captured the imagination of drivers who wanted sophistication, comfort, and power all in one package. Whether you're a vintage car enthusiast or just love the golden era of American automobiles, the Mercury Continental stands as a symbol of an age when cars were more than just transportation, they were statements of class and ambition. The Mercury Continental emerged during a time when automotive design was all about commanding attention. With its long, sweeping body lines, massive chrome accents, and distinctive grille, this car didn't just sit on the road, it owned it. The designers at Mercury focused on creating a vehicle that would embody quiet strength and unmistakable prestige. From the sculpted fenders to the iconic tail lamps, every detail was meticulously crafted to set the Continental apart from its rivals. Under the hood, Mercury equipped the Continental with powerful V8 engines that delivered smooth, confident performance. Whether cruising along open highways or navigating city streets, the ride was serene yet powerful, proving that luxury and muscle could coexist beautifully. Its refined suspension absorbed road imperfections, making every drive feel like a first-class journey. Drivers were treated to effortless acceleration and a commanding presence, backed by the kind of engineering that made Mercury a respected name in American motoring. Step inside and you were greeted by a cabin that embodied mid-century luxury. Plush seating, high-quality materials, and thoughtful ergonomics created an environment where comfort was paramount. Every switch, dial, and gauge was designed with both elegance and functionality in mind. Long road trips felt effortless thanks to spacious interiors and features that, for the time, represented cutting-edge convenience. The Continental wasn't just a car, it was a rolling lounge, built for those who demanded more than ordinary transportation. What makes the Mercury Continental even more fascinating is its cultural impact. It wasn't just admired for its looks and performance, it became a status symbol. From business leaders to Hollywood stars, owning a Mercury Continental meant you had arrived. Its presence in films, television, and even political motorcades helped cement its reputation as a vehicle of distinction. Decades later, collectors still seek out well-preserved examples, drawn to the blend of style and substance that defined an era. Today, the Mercury Continental remains a timeless classic. It represents an age when American automakers dared to dream big and deliver cars that were bold, elegant, and unforgettable. Whether you're lucky enough to see one at a car show or you're restoring one in your own garage, the Continental continues to inspire admiration. It's not just a car. It's a piece of history, a reminder of when design and engineering worked hand in hand to create something truly extraordinary. Thanks for joining Car Reviews as we celebrated the legacy of the Mercury Continental. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the most iconic cars ever built.